Let's get to another TikTok affiliate marketing case study. I'm gonna show you right now how Stephanie just made over $1,000 with for one sale. Yes, this is just one commission with high ticket affiliate marketing. I recommend you to plug into this high ticket affiliate marketing system so you can make commissions like this. This is just the minimum that we make per sale, okay? We also make 3,000 per sale, 6,000 per sale. It's pretty nuts. And I'm gonna show you how she's doing it with TikTok. Okay, and yeah, you can see more information, also more details about this program and this system, this strategy on TikTok, more tips on this free video right here, and then 90% done for you online system that makes regular people between $1,000 and $5,000 plus per day. You can click on the link on the description and you can learn more about this strategy, more in-depth training, and learn more about this system. But before you do that, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more information on affiliate marketing, about TikTok, and making money online and business success in general. So let's get to this right now. I'm gonna show you the overview, the big overview of how she's doing it and how we do it in this system. Okay, yeah, we're gonna focus on TikTok in this video, in this case study, but in reality, we using different platforms. Yes, we posting the same video that we create on TikTok. We also post them on Instagram, also YouTube Shorts, and also you can do Facebook Reels as well. And the system, this 90% done for you system, is already done for you. All this is, they already did all this for us. Okay, so it's the system already has the niche, which is the make money online niche and affiliate marketing, and a bunch of products where we get paid handsome amounts of commission per each product. We have multiple products, and then they also build the landing page, the bridge page, the sales page. They build everything there. They also set up the emails as well. We have the email autoresponder going to there, and also we have a broadcast emails sent for us on a daily basis from the system. So it's pretty cool. And how do we drive traffic with TikTok though? So I'm gonna show you how we do this with TikTok and how she does it, how Stephanie just banked over $1,000 in for just one commission on top of other sales that she's making. So we go to TikTok, okay? You go to TikTok and you search for videos related to the product that you're selling. So for example, here Stephanie, and we do make money online, affiliate marketing, right? So basically, what she does is just search for videos related to that. Make money online, make money from home, make money on your phone. Let's say what we have here, make money on your phone. And we find the best and most successful videos on TikTok that is going the most viral, the most popular ones. So we can model after them. So we watch them, okay, right? So the rule of thumb is model after videos that are getting at least 100,000 views. So let's say this one, for example, 1.8 million views, side hustle, make $100 in 15 minutes. You just watch it, take a few notes if you want, or you just watch it, model after it, make it very similar to this, and that's it, and post it. And you do this once, twice, 3 times a day, ideally maybe 5 times a day, maybe 10 videos a day, especially in the beginning. The faster you can launch it, the better. So this is it. This one will be a good one too. Nighttime side hustle, $120 per hour. You got over 100,000 views, but there's more, 640,000 views. So you just watch and see which one you would like better to model after, and that's it. And you don't even need to talk. You can start with silent videos. So that way it's easier and quicker for you to crank out videos and content, and the faster you can move, the better, especially in the beginning. So you don't get discouraged. The faster results you can get, the better. So that's it. You find popular videos and you just open the app on your phone, do the selfie, do this. If you don't want to talk with us, do this, and type the text that you see there, and that's it. It's all on TikTok app, and that's it. You do that consistently every single day, especially in the beginning. That's about it. But how though? Let me show you. How do you make money though? Like, how is he making these commissions, and how we all making these commissions? So on the bio, okay, on the profile, for example, there's this one, make money with Mary. This is a different person, this is a different girl, but she's doing similar concept. As you can see on TikTok, everybody models after everybody, especially successful people. Look at that, 118,000 followers, over 118,000 followers. So, and she's just posting content that everybody is doing. So you can be successful on TikTok by modeling after other people. So this, basically you model after, you check a few bios here and there and see what resonates better with you. So that way you have an idea of what you put on your bio, okay? And the call to action, free beginner's guide, but here, for example, see that's free video. We do free video, learn more for this free training video, whatever. We put the link here and it goes to, it links here to the bridge page, landing page, where people put their information in there. That way they get into our email list that is already done for us, and they receive emails that again is done for us, and the system sends them automatically. And then also the team in the system emails them also on a daily basis, broadcast emails, and keeps linking them to the product until they buy. And then also they can schedule appointments, one-on-one calls, one-on-one Zoom calls, video calls, to learn more about the opportunity, and there's a person there answering their questions rather face-to-face. And that's how we're able to make this type of commissions, because people need to trust, especially when it comes to this high-ticket affiliate marketing. You need to have a selling system, very effective selling system, with people on the phone or people on camera, with appointments and a lot of follow-up, a lot of testimonials, case studies. So you need to be able to do that, and the system does it all for us. So that's it. You put the bio, the link there, and then you just start cranking content. Look at how much content she's putting, and she's doing something similar, not exactly the same. She could be making way more money if she was promoting this system, but I don't think she is. But yeah, this is how you do it. You keep doing it every day. So to learn more about this, you can just watch the free video right below, and it will take you to that page where you can enter your information and learn more about this. There's a free video showing you more tips about how to make money on TikTok with affiliate marketing and this system. And it's pretty cool. You will learn a lot just from that free video alone. Even if you don't want to use this system, it's going to help you to grow your business or whatever you want to do, or whatever product you want to promote. This is going to help you a lot. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like this video and also subscribe for more videos about affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, TikTok affiliate marketing, Instagram, and also make money online and business success as well. Okay, talk to you soon. I hope to see you again soon.